Hello guys, Trickster here, and today I'll be checking out the NYX kit and to see if it's actually good. Pink got another using. Pink got another NYX, which is pretty cool, but
Well, I didn't get iron.
uh, it's NYX versus NYX, bruh. What the? Okay, I got the bed. Why do you cover it?
I don't know. Wait, you got the bed, right?
No, I didn't.
No.
You covered it up.
Oh.
Why is this thing on the bed? I'm so confused. What? She used her ability. Damn. I guess it's not too good, but like, I guess the ability's kind of bad.
You ready to like 4 hours?
No, not yet.
Alright.
They're rushing.
Alright.
Dude, why are they just standing on the bed? Using like alt accounts? Like, bro, what the? Okay, just prepare like a split position, okay?
Alright.
Just so I taught you. The glorious model is actually insane. Oh, I just died. I hate this game.
Alright.
Ah, it's fine, it's fine. Just make a split position. Okay, get in. Get in. Get in, Jen.
Yeah. I'm going. Dude, just wait here and get armor.
Just make a split position, okay?
He's pushing.
I'm pushing them from
Two
the
of
other
them.
side. I'm pushing them from the other side. These guys don't know. No, they're not pushing. They're playing defense.
Right.
The best defense is offense.
Right now they're pushing.
No, they're just running back. They're scared. Wait, make a split position, okay?
It doesn't know you're coming after. He's coming.
They're scared.
What?
Okay, get in.
Oh, now he's going in. Now he's out.
I mean, I got both of them. Which, that's good, I guess. We split.
Ready?
Get in. That's a lot of iron. These guys keep rushing, then like, okay, just defend for now.
I have armor. One doesn't have armor. One doesn't.
They're scared. Bro, okay, this kid's actually kinda good,
Alright, they're gonna get bad.
but no, they're not.
Alright, cover that up quickly.
Split. Get in.
No, don't. He's completely just going for the bed.
Oh, Pink's bed is gone.
They got me.
You're naked. Who do you think you are, kid?
Why are you pushing without
Oh, no,
armor?
this is easy. This kid's just mad.
That kid took too much fall damage.
4 HP. Okay, this kid's actually.
What? Nice.
Jesus. Okay, this kid's definitely OP. Like, it looks good. It is good. But the dev should, like, buff it, like, a tiny bit. Like, the kid's good, but it needs to be buffed a bit more. It's not as good as Airy, honestly.
Airy increases damage, right? After each
Yeah.
kill. That's an OP kit.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Crack that parkour, boys.
Get the bed. Oh, it's already gone.
Where are they?
Let me see. See red, so they're probably at red space.
Wait, try to ping their base. Oh, I
Alright,
see
let me
their
see.
base.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this kid just died. These kids just speedrun the game. They're not good. Oh, that's the bed? Oh, okay, okay. Boom.
Rebad order.
Bam. Oh, this gets OP. Jesus. You know what I should do?
One kid.
I should be freaking Granny. Just go around with a pan. That'd be actually pretty
Oh,
fun.
you're there.
Where?
Hold up. Don't let me clean.
Oh, I see him.
We got diamonds. Yeah.
Come here, bitch. Oh my god. Bro, can you stop running? Like, please. But it ain't no simulator. GG. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Peace.